Welcome to Vietnamese in practice. Học tiếng Việt để dùng tiếng Việt. Today we're gonna learn how to pronounce bún bò. So in the previous video, we have learned how to pronounce phở. So today we're gonna learn how to pronounce bún bò. So first of all, let's divide it in two parts. The first one, bún, and the second one is bò. So let's get started with bún. Listen and repeat after me. U, 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 un, 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 un. Now we add the B. We have bún, bún, bún. The second word, bò. Bò means cow. A, a, a. So now we add the low falling tones. We have a, a, a. Now we add the B. Bò, bò, bò. So now let's combine two words. Bún bò, bún bò, bún bò. So that is how the Northerner pronounce bún bò. If you want to know how the Southerner pronounce bún bò, so let's check that video. Let's practice one more time. U, un, un, bún, a, bò, bún bò, bún bò, bún bò, bún bò. I hope that the next time you have been in Vietnam, you consider that bún bò in your list. My mouth is watering. I go get bún bò. Before saying goodbye, I hope that you enjoyed the video. Do you know that in just 3 months, if you learn Vietnamese one-on-one with us, you will be able to communicate in simple Vietnamese. Register for a free 30 minutes trial here. And that is the end of the video. See you later. Cảm ơn. Chào bạn. Let's get bún bò for now. Bye bye.